Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the tub ring on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new tub ring for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The washing machine's tub ring helps to contain water and prevent it from splashing out of the tub during the wash and spin cycles. If the tub ring becomes cracked or damaged, water may leak out of the washer during operation, potentially causing water damage to the surrounding area. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove these 3 screws on the back of the washer. Then, pull the harness cover away from the washer and set it aside for later. Next, place some tape here to avoid scratching the frame of the washer during removal of the top panel. Insert a putty knife in between the top panel and the cabinet here. Then, gently slide the putty knife forward to ensure that the top panel does not get caught on this retaining tab. Here's the tab on the top panel that you are trying to lift so it does not get caught on this retaining tab. Then, repeat the same process on the front left side. Place a piece of tape here to hold the lid closed during the rest of the repair. Then, lift the top panel and slide it back until the rear tabs on the washer align to these slots on the top panel. Use a small chain or rope with S-clips to hold the top upright. There are 8 clips holding the tub ring in place. Using a flat-headed screwdriver, gently pry to undo the clips. You may need to push the basket to the back of the washer when undoing the clips in the front. Then, remove the tub ring. If you need to purchase a new tub ring, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the tub ring to the top of the washer's basket with a large plastic edge to the front left of the washer. Then, work your way around the tub ring to secure all the clips in place. Next, remove the rope or chain holding the washer open. Then, lift the top panel off the latches and align it to the washer. Next, slide it back until it latches back into place. Then, align the back panel to the back of the washer and reinstall the screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.